Good morning, everyone. We gather here today to remember and honour the lives lost on September 11th, 2001. It is a day etched in the collective memory of those in Bermuda, the United States, and indeed the world. On that clear, sunny morning, our lives were changed forever as we witnessed acts of unimaginable terror and heroism. On that day, 19 terrorists hijacked 4 planes. 2 crashed into 2 World Trade Center towers, 1 into the Pentagon in Washington, D.C., and a 4th plane was brought down by heroic passengers into a field in Shanksville, Pennsylvania. 2,996 people died that day. Today we will lay this wreath in the front of the school and are reminded that in this time of devastation and sadness, the United States stood resilient with unbreakable spirit and unwavering unity. We remember the innocent lives lost too soon, and we pay tribute to the first responders who rushed into danger to save others without a second thought. In particular, today we remember our alumni, Rhondelle Tankard, who died that day in the South Tower. She just moved to the United States to work for Aon to advance her career. One can only imagine her excitement that day as she started her job. Rhondelle Tankard attended Warwick Academy from 1982 to 1987 and is fondly remembered by staff that still work here as a confident and enthusiastic young lady who made a significant contribution to the school. She had a wonderful sense of humour, along with possessing good common sense. During her time at Warwick Academy, Rhondelle excelled at music and was a member of both the orchestra and the choir. She completed in the Royal School of Music exams in piano theory and violin. As we lay this wreath, it is a small token of our enduring respect and remembrance. It represents our commitment to never forget the events of that day and the loved ones lost. It signifies our determination to honour Rhondelle's memory and 2 other Bermudians, Saltus alumni Boyd Gatton and Robert Higley II, and all those lost on that day. It is so important to ensure that the values of freedom, unity, and resilience they embodied continue to shine brightly. Let us remember that day is not just about the past, but also about the future. We must strive to create a world where such acts of hatred and violence are inconceivable, where tolerance and understanding prevail over prejudice and division. We owe it to those we lost and the generations that will follow to build a better, more compassionate world. If we could have a moment of silence, please. Thank you, and thank you, Jaden, and thank you, Chloe.